Well, it's about 10 after 5 here at local time, and we're having some more rain. Sure, thunder. So, now it's raining. Just to do this off and on, well, it was 90 degrees, and now it's like still 90 degrees. It's hot out there. Unbelievable. And I put my hand out there, it's like a sauna out there. Oh my. Well, it is what it is, people, you know what I mean? It is what it is. Have a fine day. Enjoy it. Keep cool, keep dry, and we'll catch you later.